For years, one question has continued to divide millions of people around the world. Is sweet corn really as safe as it looks? Or have we misunderstood it all along? While debates over genetically modified crops continue to spark fear and controversy, one undeniable truth remains. Sweet corn has quietly become one of the world's most important food crops, feeding families, powering industries, and providing a livelihood for countless farmers across the globe. But have you ever stopped to wonder what actually happens before those bright yellow kernels end up inside the can sitting on your kitchen shelf? The story begins beneath endless sunshine, where acres of vibrant cornfields stretch as far as the eye can see. Every perfectly ripened ear is carefully harvested before beginning an incredible journey to highly advanced processing facilities. There, skilled workers and powerful machines work together with astonishing precision, transforming fresh corn into one of the most familiar foods we eat every day. And surprisingly, nothing goes to waste. Even the leftover stalks, husks, and leaves are turned into environmentally friendly products and nutritious livestock feed. Today, Agriculture Insight takes you behind the scenes of this extraordinary journey. From massive golden fields to the closely guarded production methods trusted by leading food manufacturers, we're revealing every step that most people have never had the chance to see. Picture yourself standing in the middle of an endless sea of golden corn. Tall stalks sway gently with the wind, creating a breathtaking landscape that seems to stretch forever. This is Minnesota, Washington, and Wisconsin, regions recognized as some of America's most important sweet corn growing areas. Each year, the United States produces nearly 3 million tons of sweet corn, while also leading the world in field corn production with an astonishing 380 million tons harvested across farmland covering an area comparable to the entire country of Germany. The scale is almost impossible to imagine. Even when combining the enormous corn harvests of China and Brazil, the United States still remains one of the world's dominant producers. Yet behind these incredible numbers lies something much more familiar. For many of us, corn has quietly been part of everyday life since childhood. From sweet breakfast cereals to warm bowls of corn served with dinner, it has filled our tables and become part of memories we rarely stop to appreciate. What surprises many people is that corn is often nearly twice as affordable as potatoes while providing impressive nutritional value, including higher amounts of protein, dietary fiber, vitamin B9, lutein, and zeaxanthin. However, everything changed when genetically modified corn began appearing during the late 20th century. News headlines, rumors, and heated public debates quickly convinced millions of people that all corn might be dangerous or even linked to serious diseases such as cancer. The fear spread rapidly, but the reality turned out to be far more complicated. Most genetically modified corn grown today is actually field corn, mainly used for livestock feed, ethanol production, and industrial manufacturing. The sweet corn commonly sold fresh, frozen, or canned is rarely genetically modified. Even so, the misunderstanding has continued for decades, leaving many consumers confused about what they're really eating. Regardless of the controversy, nature never pauses. Every July, as the delicate corn silk begins to dry and entire fields turn a brilliant shade of gold, farmers know one thing has arrived: the busiest and most demanding harvest season of the year. And that's exactly when experienced crews, together with their massive harvesting machines, roll into the fields to begin one of agriculture's most fascinating operations immediately after the husks are removed. The corn enters one of the most important cleaning stages of the entire process. Powerful jets of crystal clear water blast the ears from every angle inside a high-pressure washing chamber, stripping away dirt, dust, and surface residue within seconds. But here's something many people don't realize. Even this intense wash cannot completely remove pesticides that have already penetrated deep inside the kernels. That's why the real secret to producing safe, premium quality canned corn doesn't begin inside the factory. It starts on the farm, where strict growing standards and carefully selected crops make all the difference. Once the corn passes inspection, the whole ears never go directly into the can. Instead, they travel to a precision kernel cutting machine built to perform an incredibly delicate task. Using high-speed rotating blades combined with compression rollers, the machine gently slices each kernel away from the cob while preserving its perfect shape. The freshly separated kernels then cascade onto vibrating conveyors, where they spread evenly before continuing toward the next stage. Now another deep cleaning process begins. For nearly 2 to 3 minutes, the golden kernels move across vibrating conveyors beneath powerful multi-directional spray nozzles. Tiny pieces of husk, dust, damaged kernels, and every remaining impurity are washed away with remarkable precision. Surprisingly, despite this thorough cleaning, the kernels lose very little nutritional value because most of corn's essential nutrients remain safely locked inside and are not easily dissolved by water. With cleaning complete, the kernels enter the blanching system, one of the fastest yet most critical stages in the entire production line. Whether using hot steam or circulating boiling water, the process lasts only 1 to 2 minutes. Yet during those brief moments, spoilage enzymes are deactivated. The kernels soften slightly, and their naturally crisp texture and vibrant golden color are carefully preserved. Music. But timing is everything. The instant blanching ends, the corn is rushed into an advanced cooling system where ice-cold water, maintained at approximately 2.5 degrees Celsius, rapidly lowers its temperature. This sudden change isn't simply about cooling. It prevents overcooking, locks in firmness, and prepares every kernel for packaging while maintaining its fresh appearance. As the kernels travel through submerged vibrating conveyors, they remain evenly separated, preventing clumping and ensuring consistent cooling from every direction. Music. At first glance, this may look similar to freezing, but it's actually a carefully controlled race against time. Every second matters. The objective is to capture the corn's natural sweetness, crisp bite, and brilliant color before they have any chance to fade. Music. Once perfectly cooled, the kernels move into an automated filling line where exact portions are dispensed into sterilized cans. Depending on the product being manufactured, each can is then filled with either a light brine or a mild corn syrup solution, both designed to preserve freshness while enhancing the corn's naturally sweet flavor. Music. There's another misconception that often surprises consumers. The light corn syrup used in canned sweet corn is not the same ingredient often criticized in processed junk food. Its primary purpose is simply to maintain flavor and preserve freshness. Most health concerns are actually associated with excessive consumption of high-fructose corn syrup, a different sweetener commonly found in heavily processed foods and sugary beverages. With the cans filled, they immediately enter a vacuum sealing system that removes excess air before heavy-duty metal lids are tightly secured. This seemingly simple step plays a huge role in preventing spoilage and extending shelf life. Next comes one of the most dramatic stages of the entire journey. The sealed cans disappear inside massive sterilization chambers where pressurized steam raises temperatures to approximately 115 to 121 degrees Celsius. Under these extreme conditions, harmful microorganisms are destroyed, allowing the corn to remain safe for storage far beyond what refrigeration alone could ever achieve. Without sterilization, canned corn would stay fresh for only a few days. Thanks to this process, it can safely remain on store shelves for 1 to 2 years while maintaining both quality and flavor. As soon as sterilization is complete, the cans are rapidly cooled using circulating cold water. This controlled cooling protects the can's structure while stabilizing the product sealed inside. From there, every can passes through an automated labeling system where production dates, expiration dates, barcodes, and product information are printed with incredible accuracy before moving toward final packaging. And just like that, an extraordinary journey reaches its destination. From the sun-drenched cornfields of America to the neatly sealed cans found in kitchens across the globe, every kernel carries a story of innovation, patience, and generations of farming expertise. Behind every bite lies countless hours of careful cultivation, advanced engineering, and the dedication of people whose work often goes unseen. So the next time you open a can of sweet corn, remember, you aren't simply tasting a familiar food. You're experiencing the remarkable journey of one of the world's most important golden crops. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Stay curious, stay inspired, because another fascinating story from Agriculture Insight is just about to begin. Music. Now our journey shifts from golden cornfields to another crop that quietly feeds billions of people every year, the humble potato. Across the United States, Idaho, and Washington stand among the nation's largest potato-producing regions. In 2024, American farms harvested roughly 19 million tons of potatoes, with nearly 12 million tons heading to factories for processing into products enjoyed around the world. Every autumn, between August and October, an enormous harvest operation begins. Massive potato harvesters slowly roll across the fields, where specially designed blades slide beneath the soil and gently lift the hidden potatoes toward the surface. As the crop moves through the machine, vibrating conveyors shake away dirt, loose soil, and debris before laying the potatoes neatly across the ground in organized rows. But harvesting has only just begun. Following closely behind, specialized gathering machines sweep across the field with remarkable precision. Conveyor systems carefully collect each potato while separating rocks, remaining soil, and unwanted debris. Every potato is handled gently to reduce bruising before being transferred onto internal conveyors. At the same time, transport trucks drive alongside the harvester in perfect synchronization. Without stopping the operation, the clean potatoes move directly into the truck storage compartment, creating a seamless harvesting process that dramatically increases efficiency while protecting crop quality. On a typical 25-acre American potato farm, yields often range between 16 and 20 tons per acre, producing an impressive 400 to 500 tons in a single season. Modern harvesters capable of covering 5 to 10 acres each day can finish an entire field in just 2.5 to 5 days. And with multiple machines operating together, the harvest moves even faster. Music. As harvest season reaches its peak, fields come alive with the constant sound of powerful machinery working from sunrise until sunset. Once fully loaded, fleets of trucks head toward massive storage facilities where the next chapter of the potatoes' journey begins. At the facility entrance, the potatoes are carefully unloaded onto modern conveyor systems designed to transport them gently without causing unnecessary damage. As they travel inward, built-in separators automatically remove dirt, dust, and small rocks, sending unwanted material onto secondary conveyors for disposal. Only the clean potatoes continue forward. The conveyor network finally deposits them into enormous storage piles, towering mountains of potatoes waiting to be sorted, processed, and transformed into some of the world's favorite foods. Music. From these storage facilities, millions of potatoes begin another remarkable transformation as they are delivered to processing plants that produce the crispy golden potato chips enjoyed by people across the globe. Their journey starts inside enormous washing tanks filled with clean water. Here, every remaining trace of soil, stones, and debris is carefully removed. Even stubborn dirt trapped in tiny crevices dissolves away as flowing water guides the potatoes through the cleaning system. Only after this thorough wash do the spotless potatoes move onto conveyor belts, ready to enter the next stage of their incredible transformation. Once the potatoes finish washing, they move onto a powerful vibrating system that quickly shakes away every drop of excess water. This may seem like a small step, but even a thin layer of moisture can affect everything that follows. With the surface perfectly dry, the potatoes continue toward an automated sizing system where rotating rollers and precisely calibrated gaps separate them according to size. Smaller potatoes fall through first, while the larger ones continue along a different path, ensuring every batch receives the exact treatment it requires. But another challenge still remains. Even the healthiest-looking potato can hide imperfections that are invisible to the human eye. To catch them, the potatoes pass through a sophisticated optical sorting system equipped with high-speed cameras and intelligent sensors. Within a fraction of a second, defective, bruised, or discolored potatoes are identified and automatically removed, allowing only premium quality potatoes to continue the journey. Next comes one of the most satisfying transformations: